Now let's go even further north to College Station, where it's even colder. Xavier Walton is there. Xavier?
Hey, Mia, well, temperatures feel like they are in the teens right now. It's so cold. Take a look at this. You can still see some of the ice from the sleet and snow from earlier. Here is one of the concerns, though, as those temperatures continue to drop overnight. Renee, come over here. She's been out here with me all day. Take a look at this slick surface here. You can just tell, even getting in the car, I'm going to open up the door. Even getting in the car, I would likely slip and slide as I was getting in. And then as we turn the camera around this way, all these water spots, you see this? Likely going to turn to ice. The other video you're also seeing on the screen, that is what we were experiencing today throughout the day with that freezing rain and that sleet. Here's what people said as we were talking to them outside the store this afternoon.
You know, you may not see an ice puddle, so I guess just keep going around and being cautious as always.
I mean, yeah, there's definitely some spots you got to worry about, and it's been kind of rainy the past few days, so it's never really going to dry up, so everything's just kind of saturated, so it could get pretty slick.
And you know what? I reached out to TxDOT earlier, and they said they have crews working around the clock, including retreating those roads that are extremely icy right now, that the sun has gone down and those temperatures are only getting colder. Here live in College Station, Xavier Walton, I'll send it back to you.